In this video, you'll learn how to change your status on Slack, allowing you to communicate your availability to your team effectively. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can update your status quickly and easily. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. If you are using a web browser, navigate to your Slack workspace URL. Once the application is open, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials and proceed to the main interface. Next, locate your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Slack interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options related to your account settings and status updates. After that, select the option labeled Update Your Status from the drop-down menu. This action will open a new dialog box presenting you with different status options and a text field for a custom status message. Take a moment to review the available options to find the one that best reflects your current situation. Once this appears, click on the button labeled Set a Status within the dialog box. This will allow you to choose from predefined statuses or create a personalized message. For example, you might want to indicate that you are in a meeting. Selecting this option will update your status immediately. Following this, if you wish to save your selected status, look for the Save button at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Clicking this will confirm your choice and apply your status across the Slack platform, making it visible to your colleagues. If you ever decide to change your status again, simply repeat the steps outlined. Familiarizing yourself with this process will streamline communication and ensure your team is aware of your availability at all times. Keep in mind that frequent changes to your status can help maintain clarity in your work environment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.